Hi there, students. Zephyr, Zephyr, a zephyr. This talks about a wind, a little wind, a gentle breeze. So it was an incredibly hot day, and I was praying for the slightest zephyr to cool me down. Yeah, so a zephyrs are just a cool, gentle breeze. Zephyrs at night coming across from the ocean. Yeah, ocean zephyrs, a gentle ocean breeze. Yeah. Okay, so I think you could probably use this metaphorically as well. So if somebody gives you a huge shower of compliments, they're probably not being sincere. But a zephyr of compliments would tell you that, yeah, this probably is quite good because they probably mean it. Yeah, so a zephyr, a gentle breeze. Yeah, you use it metaphorically as well. Yeah. I thought there was going to be a huge reaction by people against it, but the reaction was just a zephyr, yeah, a gentle wind. It wasn't, people weren't very upset. Okay, so a zephyr. Notice, a zephyr is warm and comfortable. It's not talking about a cold draft on a winter's day. Yeah, this is talking about a nice, gentle, lovely wind. Yeah, a gentle breeze that feels really good. Yeah, they've used the word zephyr for a million different things nowadays. Yeah, you could have a zephyr as a fabric, for example. Yeah, a light article of clothing. Yeah, or a zephyr, a car. I guess it moves like a gentle breeze is the idea for it as well. Okay, so zephyr. Yeah, something that's insubstantial, that's airy, that's passing. Yeah, and I think that's probably the most interesting way of using it. So yeah, there was a zephyr of applause from the audience, but they didn't stand up and shout and scream about how wonderful it was. Yeah. Okay, so we're using it metaphorically like a gentle breeze, a small reaction, a small change. Yes, the change started as change normally starts as a zephyr in society, but then builds up to an enormous great thing. So it builds from a zephyr into a massive change. Yeah, there was a zephyr of discontent among the people in the country, but this was whipped up into a storm which eventually turned into a revolution. Okay, so something light, something not very substantial, something passing and just small to start with, but then it could get bigger. Okay, zephyr. This word is certainly very literary. Yeah, I'm going to give this a 6.5 informality. You could just about use it in a semi-formal conversation, use it in a semi-formal writing or a formal writing, particularly in something poetic, something literary would sound great. And then as to origin, okay, this comes from Zephyrus in Latin, the west wind, which itself comes from Greek itself, Zephyros, yeah, meaning the west wind, which comes probably from Proto-Indo-European hyeb, to cover, yeah, or to have sex with as well. Okay, so a zephyr, a small but pleasant wind, yeah. When it's hot, a zephyr is just what you need. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Zephyr.